Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a super simple and so delicious recipe on how to make apple pie. Very few ingredients and very few steps. This recipe belongs to a friend of mine named Brittany, and I believe it's a family recipe. When I first tried this apple pie, I thought, oh my gosh, this is so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, if you do, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. For today's recipe, we will need cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, sugar, all-purpose flour, butter, 4 to 5 apples, and they can be green or red, and 2 pie crusts from Stater Brothers or any grocery store. First thing we're going to do is we're going to peel our apples, and then we're going to slice them. Once we have all the apple slices, we're going to mix our nutmeg, salt, cinnamon, flour. We're going to make sure it's nice and mixed and well combined. And I'll put the measurements in the box below. We're going to start heating our oven, preheating our oven to about 425 degrees. Next thing I did was I sliced my 2 tablespoons of butter. So now we're going to take one of our pie crusts. We're going to add all our apple slices. Once we have all our apple slices inside the crust, we're going to spread our mixture evenly over the top. Next, we're going to spread our 2 tablespoons of butter directly on top. And lastly, we're going to take our other pie crust. We're going to gently remove it. We're going to place it directly on top. We're going to take a fork and press it in to the other crust. And here we have a close-up of our apple pie. And there you guys have it, this super simple recipe, and it's so delicious. I hope you guys give it a try. It's few steps and very limited ingredients. Like I said, it tastes just like heaven. And as always, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.